Students, welcome to you all once again in your English class. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 7 of your Honeysuckle book, and the name of the chapter is Fair Play. So this is an interesting story, and this story is written by Munshi Premchand. So let's know something about him. So story by Munshi Premchand. He is the writer of this story. Munshi Premchand was born on 31st July in 1880 and he died on 8 October 1936. Was a great novel writer, story writer and dramatist. His actual name is Dhanpat Rai Srivastava. Premchand is his pen name and Munshi is an honorary prefix. He was famous for his modern Indian literature. He is one of the most celebrated writers of the Indian subcontinent and is regarded as one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. His novels include Godan, Karmabhumi, Gaban, Mansarovar, Idga. He has been referred to as the Upanyas Samrat. And what is the meaning of Upanyas Samrat? Emperor among novelists. Okay, so he is called emperor among novelists. By writers, his works include more than a dozen novels, around 300 short stories he has written, several essays and translations of several foreign literary works into Hindi. So he was famous Indian writer. Fair Play is a story by Munshi Premchand set on the background of rural lifestyle and justice system. Okay, so the characters of the story are, the characters in the story, Jumman Sheikh, Algu Chaudhary, old aunt of Jumman, Samjhu Sahu, Panch Pradhan, Jumman's wife and villagers. Okay, so students, Fair Play, this is an interesting story of two friends. Okay, Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, they were very close friends. So let's read this interesting story. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. So as I told you, the story is on two friends. They were very close friends, Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary. Okay, their bond of friendship was very strong. Okay, so one of the friend, if they had gone out of the village, okay, so the other used to take care of their family and they were both greatly respected in the village. Jumman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Okay, so this paragraph tells us, students, that Jumman had an old aunt, okay, and she had some property, okay, and she transferred that property to Jumman, okay, and in return what they decided that Jumman and his wife, they would take care, they would look after the old aunt. So the arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Couple of years means 2 years. Okay, so everything was going for 2 years very good. So after that, what happened? Then the situation changed. Jumman and his family were tired of the old relative. Jumman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months. But patience has its limits. So became indifferent means, students, lost interest in or did not care for. And what is the meaning of grudged? Grudged means gave unwillingly, felt angry, unhappy about giving. And what is the meaning of swallowed? Swallowed, this insult means tolerated them. So what happened after 2 years? What happened, students? After 2 years, Jumman and his wife, their behavior were totally changed towards the aunt. Okay, now the aunt was she was living like she was unwanted in the family. Okay, so their behavior were totally changed. They were unhappy with the aunt. Okay, so unhappily they were giving the food to the aunt. So aunt, she was noticing all these things, and her patience also had a limit. So what happened next? One day she spoke to Jumman, "My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house. Kindly give me a monthly allowance so that I can set up a separate kitchen." So her patience had also limit. So one day she told Jumman that my son, I knew that I am unwanted in your house. Okay, you and your wife not liked me. Okay, so what you have to do that please give me monthly allowance, mean monthly you have to pay some money, then so that I separate my kitchen. Okay, I can separately manage my kitchen. So what Jumman replied, "My wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient," said Jumman shamelessly. This made his aunt very angry and she decided to take her case to the village panchayat. Okay, patient means calm. So when Jumman heard that her aunt was waking that she wanted a separate kitchen. So very shamelessly he answered that be calm. Okay, my wife knew everything. Okay, so what she was doing is everything is correct. So when Jumman's aunt, she heard that Jumman shamelessly was giving the answer like this, so what she decided to take the case to the village panchayat. For many days the old lady was seen talking to the villagers, explaining her case and seeking their support. Okay, so what happened next? For many days the old lady, then old aunt, okay, she was talking to the villagers and she was talking about her matters. Okay, for seeking their support means she wanted their support. Some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. So when she discussed the case with the villagers, so some laughed, some makes fun of her, some was making fun of her. Okay, and some were sympathized with her. Okay, and some was telling that you patch up with your nephew and his wife. Then what happened next? At last she came to Algu Chaudhary and spoke to him. "You know Chachi, Jumman is my best friend. How can I go against him?" Algu said, "But is it right, my son, to keep mum and not say what you consider just and fair?" Pleaded the old lady. "Come to the panchayat and speak the truth." She said Algu didn't reply, but her words kept ringing in his ears. So what is the meaning of make it up, students? Make it up means stop quarreling, come to an arrangement with him. And what is the meaning of mum? Mum is quite silent. Okay, so next what happened when an old lady, she talked about the villagers and they were not listening her problems, so she went to Algu Chaudhary. Okay, Algu Chaudhary, that as I told you, he was a very best friend of Jumman. So she went to Algu Chaudhary and she said, so Algu said that Chachi, do you know that I am a best friend of Jumman, okay, and I could not go against Jumman. So then what happened? Then old aunt, she said about everything about the matter. Okay, then Algu said that Algu that time he had tell nothing. Okay, but her words going continuously, it was running in his mind. Okay, that she was telling that it is not right to go against the right thing. The panchayat was held the same evening under an old banyan tree. Jumman stood up and said, "The voice of the Panch is the voice of God." Okay, so next this is the part number 2. Next what happened? The panchayat was held, okay, on that same day in the evening. Okay, and Jumman stood up and he said that let my aunt nominate a head panch. Aunt nominate the head punch, I will abide by her decision. So abide by means accept. So whatever to whom my aunt will announce as head punch, I will accept his decision. Whatever decision he will take, I will accept it. So next what happens, students? The punch knows neither friend nor enemy. What do you say to Algu Chaudhary? To the old lady announced. So the old lady, she stood up and she said, the punch knows neither friend nor enemy. Means the punch decision is always right decision. Okay, he takes always right decision. And with that she announced Algu Chaudhary as head punch. Fine, replied Jummon, hiding his joy over this unexpected piece of luck. So when Jummon heard Algu's name, so that time he felt very happy, okay, and he was trying to hiding his happiness, because he knew that Algu is my best friend and he would not and never go against me, okay. So he was very happy at that time. Chachi, you are aware of my friendship with Jummon, said Algu. So again Algu stood and said, Chachi, you know very well that Jummon is my best friend. But Algu in his mind, he also knew that Jummon was wrong at that time. But Jummon was his best friend, so he did not want to go against him. I know that, replied the aunt, but I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. God lives in the heart of the punch and his voice is the voice of God. And the old lady explained her case. So when Algu said that he was he's the best friend of Jummon, so the old lady said to the Algu Chaudhary that I believed yourself, you will not go against the wrong thing. Jummon said, Algu, you and I are old friends. Your aunt is as dear to me as you. Now I am a punch. You and your aunt are equal before me. What have you to say in your defense? So now Algu Chaudhary, he was head punch, okay. So he stood and said to Jummon that now I am a head punch, okay, and you and your aunt both are equal to me. Okay, now you don't think that I am your friend, okay. So whatever decision I will take, it will be right. So now you tell me about the matter. 3 years ago, began Jummon, my aunt transferred her property to me. I promised to support her as long as she lived. I have done all I could. There have been a couple of quarrels between my wife and her, but I can't stop it. Now my aunt is claiming a monthly allowance from me. This is not possible. That's all I have to say. Then Jummon stood and he was telling about the matter. He was telling then my aunt, she had some property and she transferred that property to me and my wife. So for the 2 years everything was going very well, okay. But after that my wife and the aunt, they were quarreling, okay. So the situation was not going right. So now my aunt is claiming to the monthly allowance. Jummon was cross-examined by Algu and others. Then Algu announced, we have gone into the matter carefully. In our opinion, Jummon must pay his aunt a monthly allowance or else the property goes back to her. So when Jummon said about the matter in his opinion, so Algu stood and said, Algu asked some questions, okay, because he was a head punch at that time. So he asked some questions to Jummon and his aunt, okay. Cross-examine means the punch is asking question to the Jummon and his aunt, okay. So then Algu stood and said that we cross-examined both the parties and whatever the decision they took in their opinion, his aunt was very right. Jummon should pay the monthly allowance or the property would go back to the aunt, okay. Now the two friends were seldom seen together. The bond of friendship between them was broken. In fact, Jummon was Algu's enemy and wanted his revenge. So seldom means rarely. So what happened, students? Now Algu decided to go, he went against to the Jummon. So now their friendship was broken. What the Jummon was expecting, that Algu took decision in his favor, okay. But now the Algu took decision against the Jummon, okay. He took the decision in the favor of his aunt, okay. So now what Jummon was thinking? Jummon was thinking that Algu was his enemy, okay. So their bond of friendship was broken now. Now let's see what happened next. Now this is the part number 3. Days passed and as ill luck would have it, Algu Chaudhary found himself in a tight spot. One of his fine pair of bullocks died and he sold the other to Samju Sahu, a cart driver of the village. The understanding was that Sahu would pay the price of the bullock in a month's time. It so happened that the bullock died within a month. So what is the meaning of tight spot? Tight spot means difficult situation. So now what happened next, student? Now the days passed, and after some days, okay, now Jumman and Algu, they were not talking, okay. So now what happened? After some times, Algu Chaudhary found in a tight sport means he was in a difficult situation. And what was that difficult situation? Is that, students, that Algu Chaudhary had two pair of bullocks, okay, and one pair of bullock he sold to Samju Sahu, who was a cart driver of the village, okay, and one pair of bullock he died, okay. So what happened next? When he told that sold that bullock to the Samju Sahu, okay, so in return what they decided that Samju Sahu would pay the money of the bullock within a month. Several months after the bullock's death, Algu reminded Sahu of the money he hadn't yet paid. Sahu got very annoyed. I can't pay you a penny for the wretched beast you sold me. He brought us nothing but ruin. I have a bullock, use it for a month and then return it to me. No money for the dead bullock, he said angrily. Okay, so here annoyed means very angry. Okay, and wretched means a poor, wretched beast means a poor animal. Okay, so what happened next, students? Now the several months passed. Okay, so Samju Sahu told that within a month he would pay the money of the bullock. Okay, students, annoyed means very angry, okay, and wretched beast means a poor animal, and ruin means he had lost everything, okay, social image and his money. So this paragraph tells the students that several months passed and Samju Sahu did not pay the money, okay, for the of the bullock, okay. So Algu Chaudhary again he reminded Samju Sahu to pay the money. So what Samju Sahu told? He told that what the bullock he sold, means Algu Chaudhary sold bullock to the Samju Sahu. So that bullock was dead, okay, that within a month. So Samju Sahu would not pay the money, he would not pay a single penny, okay, for the bullock. And in return he also told us Algu Chaudhary that he had also, Samju Sahu had also a pair of bullock. So you use that pair of bullock and give return within a month. Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat for a second time in a few months. Preparations for holding the panchayat were made and both the parties started meeting people seeking their support. So now Algu Chaudhary was very angry when he heard that Samju Sahu would not pay the money for the bullock. So he decided to take the case to the village panchayat. Okay. So again the panchayat was held after a few months. So what happened next? The panchayat was held under the old banyan tree. Algu stood up and said, the voice of the panch is the voice of God. Let Sahu nominate the head panch. I will abide by his decision. So abide by means accept. Okay. So now again the panchayat was held under the same old banyan tree. Okay. So Algu Chaudhary he stood up and he said that let Samju Sahu, okay, nominate to suggest the name of head panch, okay, and I will accept his decision. Sahu saw his chance and proposed the name of Jumman. Algu's heart sank and he turned pale, but what could he do? So Samju Sahu he got chance, okay, he stood up and he said the name of Jumman as head punch, okay, because he knew that Algu Chaudhary and Jumman Sheikh, now they were enemy and Jumman want to take revenge to Algu Chaudhary. Okay, so Samju Sahu when he announced the name of Jumman, so Algu Chaudhary he was in a fear at that time. Okay, again he found himself in a difficult situation, okay, because he knew that Jumman will take decision against him. The moment Jumman became head punch, he realized his responsibility as judge and the dignity of his office. Could he, seated in that high place, have his revenge now? He thought and thought. No, he must not allow his personal feeling to come in the way of speaking the truth and doing justice. So now when Jumman Sheikh he heard his name as head punch, okay, so at the moment he realized his responsibility, okay, his mind, his inner voice continuously asking a question, is this time to take a revenge? So his heart told that no, This is not the time to take revenge, not the time to take our personal feelings, okay, to come out. This is the time to take right decision, okay. This is the time to speak the truth, okay. This is the time to make justice. Both Algu and Sahu stated their cases. They were cross-examined and the case was considered deeply. Then Jumman stood up and announced. So, Samju Sahu and Algu Chaudhary, okay, they were telling their cases. They were discussing. They were telling about their matters, okay. So, again the cross-examined, the Panch asked some questions to the Algu Chaudhary and Samju Sahu, okay. So, finally, what the Panch decided? Then Jumman stood up and announced, it is our opinion that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock. When Sahu brought the bullock, it suffered from no disability or disease. The death of the bullock was unfortunate, but Algu cannot be blamed for it. So now Jumman, he was head punch, so who stood up and he said that Samju Sahu should pay the money for the bullock, because when Algu Chaudhary sold the bullock, they were not suffering from any disease, okay. It was his bad luck, okay. So Samju Sahu should pay the money of the bullock. Now what happened next? Algu could not contain his feeling. He stood up and said loudly over again, victory to the Panchayat, this is the justice, God lives, in the voice of the Panch. So when Algu Chaudhary heard that Jumman gave decision in his favor, so he was very happy, okay. Excitingly he stood and said that victory to the Panchayat, this is the justice, God lives in the heart of the Panch, okay. Panch always takes right decision. So he was very happy at that time, and Jumman also took a very correct decision. Soon after, Jumman came to Algu, embraced him and said, since the last Panchayat I had become your enemy, today I realized what it means to be a Panch. A Panch has no friend nor enemy, he knows only justice. Let me one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. So, this paragraph tells the students that when Jumman took this decision in favor of Algu Chaudhary, so they both were very happy, okay. And Jumman stood at that time and he said that this time I knew what the importance of head punch, okay. The punch only knows, the punch knows nothing, okay, but only justice. Algu embraced his friend and wept, and his tears washed away all the dirt of misunderstanding between them. So Algu stood and he went to the Jumman Sheikh and they both hugged, okay. And Algu was crying at that time, okay, and his tears cleaned all the misunderstanding between two friends. So now the both of the Algu Chaudhary and Jumman Sheikh, now again they were very good friends, okay, and their bond of friendship was again very strong. So, this was all about your chapter, student. Now, this is the summary. If you have any doubt, any queries, so please this summary again, students, then the lesson will be more clear to you. So, fair play, this story teaches us, this story gives us a very beautiful message, students, that we should not move from the path of truth and justice, even for the sake of friendship or enmity. Now, here are some question answer of related to your book. So, let us discuss the question answer. So, the first question is, then the situation changed. What is being referred to? So, the answer is, Jumman's aunt had transferred some money to him on the understanding that he will look after her. This worked for some time, but then the situation changed. After some time, Jumman and his wife became indifferent to the old lady, and his wife even started mistreating her. Now, the second question is, when Jumman's aunt realized that she was not welcome in his house, what arrangement did she suggest? So, the answer is, when Jumman's aunt realized that she was not welcome in his house, she demanded monthly allowance from him to set up a separate kitchen for herself. Now, the next question, what was the villagers' reaction when the aunt explained her case to them? So, the answer is, when the aunt explained her case to the villagers to stick their support, some sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and some others suggested her to make it up with her nephew. Now the next question is, why was Jumman happy over Algu's nominate at Hat Punch? So the answer is, Algu and Jumman were best friends. So when aunt nominated Algu as head punch, he knew that his aunt will never go against him. Now the next question is, God lives in the heart of the punch. The aunt said, what did she mean? So the answer is, the aunt meant that a person in the seat of a judge is like God's representative. He becomes fair and just like God. He does not favor friends or disfavor enemies. Now the next question is, what was Algu's verdict at Hat Punch? How did Jumman take it? So the answer is, Algu heard both sides and gave a fair judgment. He asked Jumman either to pay a monthly allowance to his aunt or transfer the property in her name. After this, the bond of friendship between Jumman and Algu was broken. He became Algu's enemy and decided to take revenge. Now the next question is, Algu found himself in a tight spot. What was his problem? So the answer, the problem was Algu had sold a bullock to Samju Sahu on the understanding that Sahu would pay the price within a month. But the animal died after some time. When Algu demanded his money, Sahu angrily denied to pay even a penny. Now the next question is, why was Algu upset over Jumman's nomination as head punch? So the answer is, Algu was upset because since the last case, Jumman had become Algu's enemy and was seeking revenge on him. Hence he thought now he would favor Samju Sahu and take his revenge. Now the next question is, what was Jumman's verdict at Hat Punch? How did Algu take it? So the answer is, Jumman's verdict was that Sahu should pay the price of bullock to Algu, as when he brought the bullock it suffered no injury or disease. Algu got so overwhelmed by the verdict that he at once stood up and started shouting, "Victory to the Panchayat, this is justice. God lives in the voice of the Panch." So the now next is 10th, that is the tick the correct. Which of the feelings sums up the story best? So the first option is, I also know that you will not kill your conscience for the sake of friendship. Let me know one deviate from the path of justice and truth for friendship or enmity. The voice of the punch is the voice of God. Give a reason for your choice. So the answer is, I think the second statement sums up the story best. The person in the seat of a judge should be fair and just, irrespective of his relationship with the person in front of him. So this was all about your chapter, students. Please write this question answer in your notebook. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.